Okay, so he's got the Mentos pellets in some type of liquid that looked like, I don't know, Mountain Dew or something, but it wasn't Mountain Dew.
More big jugs.
Oh, yep, now he's putting in the Coca-Cola jug, but they're empty, but the liquid that's already in there, it's gonna like go up into them empty bottles. Huh?
Look!
Whoa, that's crazy, right? What are they gonna do?
Run!
Whoa.
They're gonna do it in slow motion now.
Oh, my Lanta. Look at the foamage. Whoa.
Look! I'm just
Whoa.
run away.
That is so crazy.
Oh, look, it just launched up into the air.
Yeah. Oh, there's the other one. That is so funny.
It just latched up to the tree.
There he goes. Whoa, he barely got out of there in time, didn't he?
I know.
Oh, my Lanta. Yeah, he had Coca-Cola in there, a bunch of Mentos, and the bowl was floating around, and there's a plastic bowl inside that big barrel.
Whee!
Crazy! Whoa, baby.
Look it. There's the Fanta.
Yeah.
That's
The
totally where
Fanta.
Ah! It just went like boop.
Oh.
Launched off because it was on that side.
Yeah. That is so crazy.
Whoa!
Huh. It's buffering. There it goes.
What is wrong with you?
It's an old tablet, but it works, right?
Ah, there's green.
Woo!
Look.
Oh my goodness. It just keeps coming out, coming out, coming out.
That's because it's not done yet.
Oh.
Now he has to dig it out.
Oh my Lanta, look at that mess. Wow.
Oh, look. Want to do this trophy one?
The what?
You want to do this one where they have too much soda?
Sure. You can do that Coca-Cola one. Neato. Hey, what was that?
With Pampers Cruisers 360, you just rip,
You silly.
roll, and go.
Yeah.